the one that broke one of the test tubes. In the present, Alice notices Spence is acting weird and gets suspicious, especially when he finds a gun on a table. Spence gets to it before Alice can and aims it at the group as he asks Alice to come with him. He thinks they can sell the virus and the cure and gets a rich life out of it, but Alice turns him down, explaining she only wanted to steal the virus to stop Umbrella, not to promote their business. Spence thinks Alice and the siblings are very naive for thinking they can stop such a megacorporation, and when Rain asks, Spence confesses the virus and the cure are hidden in the train. Suddenly a zombie comes out of the water and bites Spence, but he quickly kills her with a few shots, then he leaves the lab and locks the door to trap the group. At that moment the Red Queen gets in contact with them and reveals she's already taken care of it. Spence makes his way back to the train and finds the box he hid there earlier, but when he's about to inject himself with the cure, he's found by the Licker, who immediately kills him. The Red Queen shows the attack on the lab screen and explains the Licker had been one of the corporation's early experiments, produced by injecting the T-virus directly into living tissue. The result had been very unstable, but now that the Licker has consumed fresh DNA, it'll mutate and become stronger. The Red Queen can give them the code to open the door, but she'll only do so if they kill Rain first because she's been infected for too long for the cure to work. Rain asks Alice to do it because 1 death is better than 3, and her pleas become more urgent when the mutated Licker shows up outside the lab, hitting the door repeatedly. Alice grabs an emergency axe from the wall, but instead of hitting Rain, she destroys the screen the Red Queen was using to talk to them. Suddenly the power goes out in the entire hive and the lab door opens to reveal Chad, who shut down the Queen like they promised they would do if she didn't help. At that moment the Licker finally breaks the glass, so the group runs through the door until they make it back to the train. When Alice approaches Spence's body, he wakes up as a zombie and tries to attack her, but Alice easily kills him with the axe before dropping her ring. The group gets to escape on the train, and Chad and Rain get an injection with the cure. Then Rain gives Alice her watch, which indicates they only have 8 minutes left to leave this place before she passes out. For a moment Alice thinks Rain died and she grabs the gun in case she'll turn, but Rain opens her eyes again and